Welcome to a discussion of MANOVA in which we will discuss what your research is about. I feel like as you get into this 595 class that you're probably having a lot of fun with all of this material. Just be calm. You're going to get through it. This is a discussion of MANOVA, multi-factor analysis of variance. Now, your groups that you have in the ratings of districts are basically broken down into four groups: exemplary, recognized, academically acceptable, and academically unacceptable. You need to find these out in the AEIS glossary and other places so that you describe them in your paper, as I pointed out to you that you should do in this module. Now, each group will have different variables. Some of your variables will rate to ethnic distributions of students. Some of your variables will relate to teacher longevity and pay. I mean, the list is endless, but for fun, we will just say that each of these four groupings will have variable 1, variable 2, and variable 3. Now, let me illustrate that. We have four groups: exemplary, recognized, academically acceptable, and academically unacceptable. The group 1 exemplary has three variables, the same variables the others have, but there will be values in those for the districts that are exemplary: variable 1, variable 2, and variable 3. The recognized district will have variables, the values for those variables 1, 2, and 3. The academically acceptable will have the same, as will the academically unacceptable. Now, what I want you to notice is that each of the four groups, which are broken out by district rating, will have variable values which can be compared. And the purpose of MANOVA is to see if these variables, these groups of variables, these groups of values under those variables differ across the four different groups. This should be very interesting. Now, I know that you've not had a high-powered quantitative course yet, but I'm trying to help you with this. I imagine that you will be very glad that I'm with you by the time we get this all done. Well, you'll utilize MANOVA under my guidance to look for differences in the variable sets across the four groups. I hope you've gotten it down. This is brought to you by the legend himself, Dr. Dog. Have a good one.